Hello, all. Welcome to Tech Atom, and this is my first video, so please excuse me for any bloopers. Uh, so today we have autocomplete with recycler view for Google's suggestions. What we get, the Google places what we get when we type in anything. So this can be used with maps or without maps, but this would be a special one screen view where you will have one text box or edit text option where you can go ahead and edit, I mean, write anything, and the suggestions would be thrown below. So let's start with the new project. I'll be making 10 minutes video so it is properly categorized. So this video most probably should go into two parts. 20 minutes we should be able to wrap this up. So let's start. Um, I've given the application name. We'll just say next. We'll go with whatever it is, blank activity. And no, we are not going to use any fragment. And I shall say finish. So it will take a little bit of time for Android Studio to create the project, but it should be done quickly. So, okay. We have the project ready. Okay, so let's start the code. So for I would be first preparing all the Android XML files and everything so we can directly use them. On the go, I'll be creating the color strings, whatever is needed, and also the other Java files which we need. Okay, so let's start with activity main activities XML file, and yes, we do have. Okay, so here what I will do is I will open activity main. We do not actually need the floating action button. Actually, we do not need this entire thing itself. So content main XML is not needed. I'll just revamp this entire thing to give us the proper look and feel. So we just start off with a relative layout over here. Maybe I can just copy paste this part because this is all we need ideally. Um, yeah, so okay, we have padding and everything ready. Let me just save it. Okay, it's not giving us any view. Design. Mm-hmm. Mm, so I'll just remove the unnecessary stuff. Okay. Android dot layout backspace. We do not need all these. Mm, okay. Okay. So we'll just give one more thing. Android Orient. So um, the best part of Gradle is that it is more friendly for preparing your material UIs as compared to our Eclipse orientation. I'm not able to get it. Okay, just leave it. Yeah, so let me just go back and check if there is anything wrong. I am okay, so we have the basic thing. We'll just delete hello world, and now we shall start off. Okay, so we would need an edit text view. So I'll just create an edit text and I will say match parent for the width and the height will go with 50 dp. So I have already done this, so I'll be directly going without checking what exactly is happening. You can just follow directly. We also need Android ID. Mm, Android ID. Mhm. So we'll name it auto autocomplete underscore TV. Okay, so we just continue. We have lots of these which I will have to do. I'll just pause the video for now and I'll just prepare this thing and show it to you directly. So I'm back. Meanwhile, what I did was I pasted this entire code. We are just preparing the text box where we are going to enter. So we give the layout width as match parent and a specific height. We set its margin. We set the padding for the text inside the text box. And then we give the background, which we have designed over here. Um, Okay, just let me move up. Okay, here, drawable right text, the background which I made, drawable right text. This is how. This is the rectangle shape to give the edit text a proper look and feel. And we give the radius and the color as gray. So it gives a feel like this. And this hint is over here, the hint and the search icon what we have, the search icon what we have placed that in meep map over here, search black, and the clear is over here. So these icons you can get from, you can just google it and say Android material icons and you can get these icons as the resolution you want. Okay, so we have prepared this. Now we'll just go ahead and put our recycler view. So recycler view won't be directly available, but we can do it via Android widget. Okay, I'll just go back. I'll say Android dot support. Okay, I guess I need to type this entire thing. V7 dot widget dot recycler view. So there we go. Okay, I'm not getting the recycler view as of now. Yeah, I got it now. So I'm just going to give. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, sorry. Sorry, I just closed the braces. Okay, so we just say over here. We just remove this. This is just becoming a little bit messy. Mm, okay, I give a slash. And now we start putting our pieces together. Android colon. Um, so we are going wrong. Something is wrong over here. Just let me just delete it. Oh, I guess we gotta add a dependency for this. Also, we got to add the place services. I do it always. I'll do it now as well. Just go to library, play, and then say search. Okay, I've got too many. Place services. Search for it. Mm, nothing to show. Something wrong. Let's add first recycler view. Mm, okay, Here we go. We just say okay and okay. Mm, so the code will compile. So we got a recycler view. I'll go ahead. I'll be pausing this video a little bit often. Just excuse me for that. Um, so we say at ID and we give this name recycler view. And just go ahead. Layout should be to, of course, match parent. Height is as well match parent, and we'll add few more clauses. Android layout. Um, layout below is add ID slash autocomplete text view, and we'll give a top margin, margin top of 10 dp just to keep it a little bit apart. And of course we got to enable the scroll bars so people can scroll if the results are too many. Vertical. So there we go. We have our XML setup, but as I said, this will only take care of this stuff. Okay, we just missed here. Sorry. So this will just take care of this stuff, but we gotta design the row as well. So we'll just make the row quickly. I'll just go to the layouts and right click, say a layout resource file, and I'll give the file name as search underscore row. Root element shall be relative layout. Okay, so we just said okay, and mhm, we have few rendering problems. We'll set that. Okay, I just want it to be a little bit structured. We'll give the height. So this is where we are exactly designing the row only. So we cannot say that the layout covers everything. So that is why we have to tell the height of it. Sorry, layout underscore height. Sorry, it's already there. We'll just say 65 dp. As I said, I have already done this, so I'm just going with the values which I know will work. And the margin left should be something like 10 dp, and the margin, um, not margin top, but then I'm sorry, margin right should be something of 10 dp as well. And we'll just give the background to this, and we should be almost done. Okay, layout. Mm, come on, there's something wrong over here. Mm, okay, I just paused the video once again to just correct all this. So I have prepared the relative layout. I gave the image view. So our design looks something like this. Every place what comes will have an icon like this, and here is where the text will come. So I've just placed the text view with everything in place. So I'll go ahead and pause the video. So we were just preparing the XML files. If I just have to go through the process again, this is where this is our main home screen where you have the text box. Here you can enter the text. We have placed the search where we are implying to the user that this is where they have to click to get the search. By giving the hint, we have given a clear option, a clear button or an image view which we will add a listener later, and we have inserted the recycler view, but we have to prepare the row. Here is where we have prepared the row, and we have prepared row in this fashion where we put an image over here. You can replace this image with as you need, and we have given a text view to throw the suggestions. The adapter will basically use this particular row to place all the suggestions and throw in. So this is the first video. Do let me know how do you feel, or are there any doubts which you have. The second video will have the entire code of how exactly to work with this. Thank you so much. Do like, subscribe, and comment.